Hi guys, welcome back to Style Me Up with Sakshi. Today I'm joined here with my sister Manvi and we're here to do the sister tag. And Manvi was on my channel and we did a video together. What was the video about, Manu?
The healthy pizza recipe.
Yes. But for today, we're gonna do a sister tag because I saw it online and I've seen so many YouTubers do it and it's so much fun to watch YouTubers doing the sister tag. I think we'll get to know each other much more doing the sister tag, and we've got like 23 questions. I'm really excited. Are you excited, Manu?
Absolutely. Very excited.
So let's just get into it. Let's just start with the sister tag.
Okay.
So the first question is, how old are you both? I'm 20.
And I'm going to be 29.
She's gonna be 29. She's 28. She's gonna turn 29
This
in
June.
This June.
Yeah.
Describe each other in one word. How will you describe me?
Well, for Sakshi, probably I would use the word passionate. She's very passionate about the things that she does.
I think I'll describe Manvi as very practical and like determined. She's like very focused in life. I feel she is. I feel like whatever you do, you put a lot of effort into it. That's what I feel. I think, at least in motherhood, I don't think anybody can be a better mom. Yes,
Not
before
before
that
that.
too, but like being a mother like really changed her, and it really surprises me how good she is being a mother. I did not expect Manvi to be this good. Honestly, sorry Manu, but like I thought like you'll be fine, but like the way she transitioned into being an excellent mom, I feel like I haven't seen a better mother.
Oh my
honestly.
God. That's-
First of all, like
that's too
handling
much.
a child is extremely difficult. Like I don't know how you do it. People ever get you mixed up?
Never. Like
No.
never.
Like look at us. We don't resemble each other. at
Not
all.
even not even a bit.
No.
So that's
What is something that annoys you about one another?
Okay, you start. You start.
I don't. She's like.
Well, you've praised me enough, so let's get to the point.
She's like a bigger mom than my actual mom. Like sometimes she'll just be like, Sakshi, don't do this. Sakshi, don't do that. Okay, this is wrong. Why you dress like that? Why you behaving like
Well,
that? Why
that's
you
what
doing that?
all elder sisters do.
It is very
It's
annoying.
not something that I'm doing.
No, but
after
like
line.
you go over it sometimes, and it's really irritating. What about you?
Sakshi can become extremely loud, sometimes. So she becomes overhyped and overexcited about certain things in life, which really annoys me a lot. So I guess that's what bothers
I think
me.
that's what annoys a lot of people in my life.
Yeah, like
A lot
you
of
would just be, like loud and jumping and shouting and screaming and
I'm an hyperactive person. What can I do?
Yeah.
Like being sister with a YouTube guru. I don't consider myself a
well,
YouTube
she's
guru.
making me famous, so I guess
okay.
So
then.
it's an advantage for me.
Would you like it? Do you like the fact that I do YouTube?
Oh, absolutely, and you give me so much fashion advice and makeup advice and all sorts
do
of
you?
advices relating to your channels. So I think that's definitely.
I think the fun fact here is that this one right here is very very passionate about fashion herself. She has a crazy obsession with magazines. So she'll have like every new edition of Grazia magazine, Vogue, and every top fashion magazine that ever exists, that she would have it for sure. So this one is really into fashion herself. So I think I get inspired by you too about fashion, I feel.
Yeah, I like reading some stuff.
Do
Yeah.
you guys ever argue?
Oh, a lot of times.
All the time.
All the
Please
time.
argue
Yes,
all
all
the
the time over a lot of things. The arguments, they don't last very long. They just last only for a few seconds and then they die down. So which is a good thing,
What's the best thing about one another? I am pretty sure I have one thing in mind that's the best about you. How she is very calm. Like if there are situations that would make me really angry and I have a really bad short temper, and the same thing that Manvi would do differently, like she'll be so calm and like composed in everything that you would do. Generally, like I want to learn that about from you, you know.
Thank you. The most important thing that I would like to learn from you is that you know you are a very happy person from inside. So in whatever situation she's in, she tries to find a way to
Find giggles.
to find giggles and to find a way that could lighten the environment, and she kind of makes people around her happy, and she's there whenever you need her. So you know that's like the biggest thing in a person's life.
She's 8 years elder to me, so
Yeah, so whenever I need her, whenever anybody needs her, she's always there as a friend, as a sister, as a Masi. She's just there right with you. So I think that's what matters the most.
next question is ditch the dirt. What does that mean, ditch the dirt? I think I'm just gonna
Ditch the dirt.
I don't understand. I think we're gonna leave this question. The next question will be favorite inside joke. Favorite inside joke. Jealousy. Yeah.
Okay, so there is a story behind this, and when she's like 8 years younger to me, and when we were in school, and my parents used to pamper me, and they used to ask me whether I've had food or whatever. So when they used to really concentrate on me at times, and she used to get so jealous. She used to be like, why are they not concentrating on me, and why are they only asking about her and her needs and her wants?
She's the pampered kid. Like initial years, then I was even more pampered than her.
You were yes, you were more pampered. I was not really a pampered kid. I think you were the most pampered. So she would get really jealous, and then we had kept stupid silly name for her. And
Jealousy.
yes, and it happens even now. Even now, if somebody is paying more attention to me than her.
It doesn't happen now, obviously.
Oh,
like,
yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Okay, next question, please.
Favorite memory together. What is a favorite memory together? I have one. I think favorite memories would be like our trips outside.
Yeah. So yeah, like I have my favorite memory when we went to Prague.
Yeah,
that
that was really good. It was
Yeah.
a really good trip. Even Universal Studios, for that matter.
Universal Studios.
Singapore
But
was
I think
like
I think with one another, I think Prague was an even a better memory for us.
Yeah. Full sisters, half or step? We're full sisters. For sure. Yeah. Guess each other's favorite singer. I would know yours because I know that you have like a few, but I don't think you would know mine.
Yeah, I wouldn't know yours. I'm sorry.
Mine is Ed Sheeran for sure. Like I have a lot of like favorite singers. But like Coldplay, Ed Sheeran, Beyonce, these are like my top singers. And for you, I feel Beyonce would be it.
Yeah, Beyonce and who's the lead singer in Coldplay? I really like that
Chris.
guy as well. The one who was married to Gwyneth Paltrow. I don't remember his name, but the lead singer who just got divorced from Gwen. So yeah, I used
Chris
to
Martin.
Really, yeah, I think Chris Martin is his name. Yeah.
Who takes longer to get ready? For sure, like it's just today that I took a little bit more time, but then I think it's.
I don't think none of us take longer to get ready. To be honest, you're also quick, and I'm pretty quick as well. So none of us take very long.
Maybe you're quick
Maybe
now. Now, like after
No, I
having a
was-
baby.
No, I was always quick. Like if you tell me to get ready in 10 minutes, I would be ready in 10 minutes.
Heels or flats?
Flats. Definitely heels. Definitely.
She is like the second version Gary Bradshaw for sure. Pants or dresses?
Dresses for me. I think pants for you.
Yeah.
I think so. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, pants for me.
Yeah, dresses for me.
Favorite animal?
Favorite animal?
I'm a dog lover, so like for me it's probably just a dog.
I think a horse.
Your house was burning down and your entire family was sure to be okay. What would you save and why? What would you save?
Like my entire family was okay.
Yeah,
So
if your
you're
family was
talking about
okay.
the materialistic thing.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, obviously. Yeah, materialistic. Like, what would you say?
One thing that I would say would be
One thing.
I think it's going to be my book. The one that I'm reading right now because I'm addicted to it.
She's reading this book.
Okay, so
Inspired by Sex in the City
yeah,
too.
and it is really good. So this is one thing that I'm going to take along with me. So this is Susan Somers. The one thing that I would leave is my phone. Because I hate using phones. The one thing that I would just leave, like intentionally would be my phone.
Yeah, I think for me it'll be my camera. I honestly I've grown to love my camera and like my equipment for like YouTube more than I love my phone. Be horror or chick flick. Chick flick all the way.
Definitely.
Chick flick.
Yeah, both of us agree
Both
on
of
this.
us.
Yes.
So one thing in common.
One
both.
thing in common.
Yeah, chick flick. BlackBerry or iPhone?
Oh, definitely
iPhone.
Yeah.
Favorite movie?
I think I really like Breakfast at Tiffany's. I really like
I haven't
that
seen
movie.
that movie.
Yeah.
I think for me has to be like maybe Avatar, Life as We Know It. Like that would be like a really good. I honestly really enjoyed watching I Origins. I don't know if you guys have seen that movie or not. It's a brilliant movie, Manvi. You should really go watch it. Like it's a really nice movie.
Okay.
What is something weird that you eat? You know,
I once had wheatgrass, and it was horrible.
what was that?
Wheatgrass.
Wheatgrass?
Wheatgrass powder,
Huh?
and I mixed it in water, and I almost threw up. So it was horrible.
No, but what is the weird thing? Something weird that you eat like
Every day.
on a not everyday basis, but like quite often.
See, if you eat something quite often, then it's not weird for you.
But it's weird for the society.
I don't know. Nothing really.
I have a few. Like
Really? Like what?
I mix things, a lot of things. Like I would have the randomest of namkeens and everything with like salsa sauce, and I would dip a lot of.
Those are not weird.
Do you guys have anything matching? Yeah, we're
This is
color
matching.
coordinated. Oh my god, yeah.
Yeah.
What's your favorite TV show?
Favorite TV show?
Manvi, can you guess mine?
Orange is the New Black.
I have never seen Orange is the New Black. I'm disappointed, Manvi. I've never seen that show.
Which one do you like then?
I don't watch TV shows.
Oh, okay. There was this show on medicine, right?
Yes, Grey's Anatomy.
Okay,
Yes,
she used
yes,
to watch
yes.
that. And I used to really like Gossip Girl.
Gossip Girl.
That was one good show.
So that's it. We're done with 23 questions.
Okay.
Actually, we just did 22 because we missed like one. But it
Okay,
doesn't
no
matter.
problem.
I hope that you guys really enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give this a like. Oops, I'm sorry guys, but I lost the footage of the outro. But anyway, like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you soon. Bye.